is no better location to demonstrate the capabilities and performance of the Lucas ProMitt than right here. I'm at the McLaren Technology Centre, where speed of operation, innovation and precision are key influences on their daily business. Lucas are about to paint this safety rail which runs 160 metres alongside the edge of the lake. There are 55 uprights and 53 crossrail sections. We're going to coat and protect the surface with a layer of our amazing, specially formulated Lucas Finish Ultimate. To paint this rail traditionally with a brush and roller took 2 technicians 2 days. We only have the 1 day to complete the job. Minimising business disruption is key. It's Sunday afternoon and this VIP access road has to be back in full use tomorrow morning. This job has to be completed within 3 hours. We're against the clock and have therefore selected the natural choice, a Lucas ProMitt, as our applicator. Right lads, get ready, your time starts now. It's time for an update. We've reached the 100-metre mark already, which means we've done over 60 metres. This should have taken at least an hour. We're now on 41 minutes. So I think it's time, guys, that we took a tea break. Where's my tea? No.
At this point, I can honestly say that the standard of workmanship that's being achieved here is something that has absolutely blown me away. I mean, not only have we got speed of application, but the actual quality of the work and the film build is absolutely where it should be. I've just verified with my wet cone gauge here, my wet film thickness cone gauge, that we're achieving between 100 and 125 microns. And because it's a high solid content product, by the time it's dried, it's going to have the protection of at least 2 or 3 layers, which will completely give this a quality finish.
So there we have it, we've crossed the line in just over 2 hours. An amazing finish using the Lucas ProMitt. I think it's time for a celebration. Well done, guys.